Hello guys, so this is actually going to be my last day on the job here. What? Before I start doing what I need to be doing as far as driving my own truck, teaming up with my wife, doing the box truck thing. So it was good. I had a long journey here, guys. 32 years driving around, moving trailers from dock to dock, and this is my last day.
Are you crazy?
And I'm ready. You know, I believe God has got me going into a different direction now, and I trust Him, and He's going to be with me on whatever I do, and He'll protect us. He's going to be with us, so I have no fears. I feel good. Company has been great to me. Guys has been great. So this is it. August 19th, last day here. So tune in, and we're going to show you what we're going to be doing, how we're going to be dealing with our lives now, and how we're going to get out there and do things on our own. It's going to be a little journey, but we're ready. Catch you soon.
It's getting exciting. We're almost there to pick up the box truck. We're arriving to the location where we're picking up our box truck.
Hello guys, we're right here at the Ryder Trucking Company. Pick up our box truck. Actually, we already given it a name. We're gonna call our box truck Leroy. So he's on his way to get it now. We're gonna get you some shots of that, of course. And I'm gonna go outside right now. He's walking toward that way right now. Actually, it's way over there. You probably can't see it right now. But we're gonna make sure we get you some shots, and we're gonna include you. We're gonna make sure you're involved. We gotta respect some people's privacy, of course. They may not wanna be on camera, but we will get you some shots on our box truck, picking it up today. Ready to do business. Our new box truck business. Good Times LLC coming at you. So here it comes, guys. Coming around the corner. There he is. And there he is, Leroy. Will soon be in our possession in a few minutes. We're gonna go inside, try to get some paperwork started, and we'll get back with you guys in a second. So this is the box truck we're trying to look at here. It's a 26 footer. International box truck. And it does have a lift gate. It does have a lift gate on it.